Hello, campers and RVers. We're back on the road again. Finally, it seems like it's been forever since I've been in my trailer. Anyways, I'm back on the road again, and I wanted to say thank you to all of my subscribers for hanging in there with me while I did those renovations. And I really, really missed being out here in the great outdoors. So I'm back out and doing a lot of RVing again. And I also wanted to say happy Veterans Day to all of my fellow veterans out there. It's a very special day, and there were quite a few picnics and parades and stuff going on throughout various towns and stuff that I traveled through. So just wanted to say thanks to all my fellow veterans out there, and again, it's a very special day. So I've got a lot of RVing ahead of me, and I've done some videos I need to get ready to post. And anyways, just wanted to say hello, and I'm back on the road again, and I appreciate all of your support and hanging in there with me. And with that, let you enjoy the beautiful view. The sun just set a little bit ago, and it's just gorgeous. I have this entire park to myself. Nobody else camping here. A beautiful sunset here on the lake. So with that, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.